Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today is Thursday, October 31st. Happy Halloween, everybody. And yeah, so I traded SPWR at the open, and SPWR was my favorite stock going into the open based on my pre-market analysis. So the stock was up 13% at pre-market. So it beat earnings, and I looked at FinViz, and this thing had a massive short float. So as you can see on FinViz, let me pull it up for you guys. So this is FinViz, really good to use it. And you can see, look at this short float. Short float is 32%. So the reason why I really like that is mainly because if you're short this stock and you wake up the next day and you see that the stock is up 13%, you're probably going to panic and you're probably going to cover your short. And that's what makes this a good short squeeze candidate at the open. So, with that being said, I'll show exactly what that means. So, when you're short, you're going to cover at the ask. And that's very bullish because it immediately shoots the price up, pretty aggressively. And yeah, so I'll show you what I saw here at the open. So, I found these pre market levels here. As you can see, so I found this level here at 953, which is pre-market high. Pre-market lows was around $9, $9 down here. And I found another level here where it was kind of holding in pre-market around 921. So as you can see, right at the open, right out the gates, this thing was just hanging out at pre-market high. It cleared pre-market high. It was hanging out here. I was watching time and sales and the ask, and I can see on the ask that there were huge asks, and also on the time and sales there were no red prints. That was my cue to get in. I also had this level here at 960, which was, as you can see here, the 2 days ago's low high right here at 960. So right when I saw that, I got in at 965. I said in a hard stop. I'm using Kyle's hotkeys. Thank you, Kyle, for that. And my hard stop was at 950. And this thing immediately just shot up and it squeezed for 2 minutes. So as you can see, I took profits on the way up. So I like selling into to strength. So I'm a scalper, selling into the momentum here. So as you can see, this thing I was selling into strength all the way up, and it tagged 1048, which was the highs here. So there was a massive short squeeze. It literally went from 950 all the way to 1048, a whole dollar move in 1 minute for a low price stock. And yeah, I took majority of my shares once it got to this level up here, which was pretty much my last level that I had finding on the daily. Um, and then I left a few shares just to kind of see if this can potentially trend. But unfortunately, I got stopped out. I set my for my final share stop at the break of view app, and it came and wicked me out. So yeah, man, I love these plays and I love this strategy, the short squeeze. If stocks are gapping up on good earnings or some sort of catalyst, and you can see on FinViz what the short float is, and if it's a pretty big short float like this one, 32%, it's going to make a really great short squeeze potential candidate at the open. So yeah, this was my one and done trade on SPWR. I hope everyone had a good trading day. I hope everyone has a safe and great Halloween. And other than that, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I will get to you as soon as I can. Happy trading, everyone.